Which Canik model is the lightest? In this video, I'm gonna let you know. Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I'm going to be talking to you about which Canik model is the lightest. I've had people ask me lots of different questions about Caniks, but the one that I get often is which one is the smallest Canik? Which is the smallest Canik? This is the smallest Canik. This is the Canik Mete MC9. And I have two different examples here, and I'm going to show you that they are both open and clear. Another model, same, open and clear. These both are the Canik Mete MC9s. One is the two-tone black and FDE, or yes, FDE, and this is the all black version. Now, the only differences, or I have some differences from these, are not stock. I have changed the trigger on both of these and put the 90-degree break flat trigger, the flat factory Canik trigger. I've changed them. I actually have a video of me changing out the triggers. I've also added Holosun optics, Holosun or nothing. Nothing against the Canik optics, I prefer Holosun. This is the Holosun EPS carry with the enclosed emitter in the back. I also have a video installing a EPS carry on my TTI Combat. This is the 507 on the two-tone. The 507 has the dot and the circle. Hopefully you guys can see that, the dot and the circle. I'm a big fan of the dot and the circle. But let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. The MC9, how much does it weigh? All right, so I have my scale here. The scale is tiered. So we have 1 pound 3 ounces, 1 pound 3.2 ounces. Now I'm going to put the base 15 round mag on there. We have 1 pound 6 ounces with that 15 round mag. Now the thing is, we're going to put the pistol back onto the scale, and I have a 15 round mag plus 1. So 15 plus 1. We're looking at 1 pound 13.6 ounces. Under 2 pounds, 16 rounds. Now, there is also the smaller magazine. This is a 12 round magazine. I am going to show you, again, this is not the loaded mag. Move that off to the side. But I have the regular pistol and the 15 round mag. This with my hand is pretty spot on, pretty perfect. This is how I carry this with, of course, the 15 round mag, but this fits my meaty hand really well, and I don't have a problem. The smaller magazine, from the I'll say from the factory, but out of the box it comes with this flat base mag, and inside of the box it comes with this flared extended little pinky mag. This is just too small for me and my hand. I don't feel like I have enough purchase on that pistol for me to control it. But if you have a smaller hand, ladies, if you have a smaller hand, that might work for you. It does not work for me. Again, I'm going to put my index, my middle finger, my ring finger, basically cover up that, and then there's no room left for my pinky. I have a meaty hand, a big hand. So this pistol is not my favorite to carry, but I do carry it all summer long when I'm wearing t-shirts as like such. Go Birds. So, but there you have it. There is your answer. The smallest or the lightest MC, or excuse me, the lightest Canik is going to be, again, be the Canik Mete MC9.